This is Drew with Boomer Music Company, your band and orchestra experts since 1976.
Hi, I'm Kammi from Boomer Music, and we're going to talk to you today about how to put your flute together and how to open the case. So first of all, I have two different cases here. One has a zipper, and on the inside it has a hard case. And on the hard case, you want to make sure that the line going through, the buttons are on the bottom, and you push those open, and you've got your flute. When you put it away, you'll also have to put it back in the case. All right, most other cases have just a hard shell. They don't have a cloth cover. And your handle goes to the bottom of the line, and then you flip it open, and there's your flute. Okay, some of the latches come down from the top, but as long as the handle is on the bottom, you will be fine. Now we have several different areas of our flute. And first of all, you have the head joint, and then you have the body, and you have the foot joint. Okay. What I usually do is when I put my flute together, I take a soft cloth and rub the head joint off. And then the receptor area of the body, I stick my finger down there and clean that out. Wipe the end off on this end. And on the foot joint, wipe that out. Because this is metal against metal, and so what happens, it gets gummy, and then your instrument goes together hard. So take your flute very gently. Don't bend on the keys. You can gently hold them. And you take and you just gently twist it back and forth until it connects. Your rod on the foot joint should come halfway through the last key. And then your head joint, same thing, put it in the receptor and just gently rock it back and forth. And I would leave it out about a finger's width, and that'll help you play in tune better. So we're all ready with that. Then we're going to pretend we've had class, and you're going to take it apart. First of all, you need to take your cleaning rod, and you should have a little piece of hanky or cotton or something. And this one's a little small, but you will take and you will first of all wipe out the inside, and you just turn it. Don't put it in and ram it, because there's a cork here. And if you ram it, you move the cork, and then your flute will play out of tune really bad. So wipe out the inside. You do the same thing with the body. Run it through a couple times to get the moisture out. And do that also with the foot joint. All right, now your head joint will go in, and there's a slot in your case for the head joint. So put that in there. Take your foot joint, slot for that. And the most important part is for your body. Make sure that when you put your flute away, the A flat G sharp key goes in the middle, right here. I have seen students put it away this way, and when you close the case, you bend that key all the way over. So make sure that you put your flute carefully away that way. Your cleaning rod will have a slot. If you have a pad saver, they're not recommended to leave in your instrument. You can use those to wipe out your instrument, but don't leave them in the body of your instrument, because that keeps the moisture on your pads. So just pull it through, and then most cases have enough space that you can put it in there. Then very carefully shut your case. Make sure that nothing is sticking up, and make sure that when you shut your case, you just shut it gently. If it's stuck open a little bit, that means that you've got something out of place, and it will damage your instrument. And that's how we put together and take apart our instrument.
If you need help with instruments, repairs, sheet music, or anything band or orchestra, reach out to us at boomermusiccompany.com. And if you like what you hear, do me a favor and tell a friend. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Facebook, and subscribe to our e-newsletter so you will never miss another video or podcast. This is Drew with Boomer Music Company. Thank you for listening.